Ever felt that giddy disbelief when something you thought was impossible just becomes real? Like finding a unicorn that also files its own taxes. Well, in the world of drones, prepare for that exact feeling, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just a rumor anymore. It's a confirmed game changer that's about to redefine what a mini drone can do. We're talking about a sub-250-gram drone that laughs at registration laws, tucks effortlessly into your pocket, and then, according to official leaks, flies for nearly an hour straight with a camera sensor that belongs on a much larger, much heavier drone. DJI has once again casually shattered its own rulebook. So, if your jaw isn't already on the floor, get ready, because we're diving into the absolute confirmed truth about the Mini 5 Pro's insane specs, price, and launch details. This isn't idle chatter. This intel comes straight from a newly leaked FCC certification label. Official paperwork that validates the drone's existence and its jaw-dropping battery capacity. We're talking a 4,680 milliamp-hour battery rated at 33.5 watt-hours. A monumental jump over anything we've seen in the Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro. With this kind of juice, 50 to 55 minutes of flight time now seems incredibly realistic, potentially even with fast charging included. DJI isn't just upgrading, they're redefining what we expect from an ultralight drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is officially on the radar, confirmed by leaked images and trusted insider info. This isn't just the next Mini. DJI is breaking new ground with the first ever 5th-generation drone in their lineup. Let's kick things off with the biggest highlight, the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch image sensor. Let that sink in. A 1-inch sensor in a sub-250-gram drone. This is a massive upgrade that brings genuinely high-end performance to ultimate portability. Expect superior low-light performance, better dynamic range, and overall sharper, cleaner images. The camera module is also larger and more exposed than previous Minis, likely to allow for full 360-degree rotation, similar to the Mavic 4 Pro. This literally opens up new possibilities for cinematic motion and creative shot angles previously impossible on a Mini. The gimbal design seems more advanced and less restricted, promising smoother, more versatile camera movement. DJI is making big safety upgrades with the Mini 5 Pro. It features a front-facing LiDAR sensor, part of a 3D infrared system previously seen only in high-end models. It can detect obstacles up to 25 meters, even in low light. The drone also gets more powerful. Vented motors for better wind resistance and payloads. Quick-release propellers replace tiny screws, and it keeps the lightweight foldable Mini design. Plus, there's 32 gigabytes of internal storage for backup. Beyond that near-hour flight time, the standard battery is rumored for 45 minutes, with a plus battery potentially pushing over 50 minutes. This is a huge leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. The Mini 5 Pro will use the cutting-edge O4 transmission system, giving it a range of up to 20 kilometers, still best in class. It's expected to be compatible with the RC2, RCN3, motion controller, and even DJI Goggles 3 for FPV lovers. DJI may also add futuristic touches like voice command control and in-app audio recording for vloggers. Now for the big questions. When is this marvel coming, and how much will it cost? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in September 2025. This aligns with recent field testing and insider info. Pricing-wise, the base version is expected to start around $850 with RCN2. The Fly More combo with the RC2 controller could reach up to $1,200. This positions it nicely between the Mini 4 Pro, $759, and the Air 3S, $1,099. If DJI truly nails the 360-degree gimbal and 1-inch sensor on a sub-250-gram drone, redefining ultralight capabilities, what kind of shots would you try first? Is the Mini 5 Pro shaping up to be the best sub-250-gram drone yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. You know, it's funny. Every time I think we've hit the peak of drone tech, DJI comes along and says, "Hold my propellers." First, they gave us the Air 3 with its dual-camera wizardry and silky smooth tracking. And just when we were getting cozy with it, the internet lights up with whispers of its successor, the DJI Air 4. So today, we're diving into what those leaks and rumors are telling us. From 6K video to upgraded sensors, smarter AI features, and even a redesign that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. We'll unpack the specs, the potential release timeline, and whether this drone might just be worth holding out for. Stick around because there's a lot to uncover, and spoiler alert, it's looking pretty exciting. First up, let's talk design. If the leaks are accurate, and they're coming from some pretty reliable sources, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a sleeker, more rugged beast. Leaked images of what's reportedly a prototype show a body with sharper, more angular lines. It's like the Air 3 hit the gym and bulked up. The arms appear reinforced, which could mean greater durability, especially in challenging conditions. And there's something new on top. A set of sensors. These top-mounted sensors are rumored to serve both upward and rearward obstacle detection. This might explain why there aren't dedicated rear sensors visible in the prototype. If DJI can pull this off, it'll mean fewer components but no compromise on omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Smart, right? Now, let's get to the tech that makes or breaks a drone. Its brain. The Air 4 is rumored to feature an upgraded AI system that's not just smarter, it's practically psychic. Imagine this. You're tracking a fast-moving biker through a dense forest. The Air 4 could use predictive path tracking to not only follow the subject smoothly, but also anticipate sudden turns or stops. That's next-level stuff for action shots. And cinematic presets? The leaks hint at modes that adjust not just the camera, but also flight patterns based on your environment. It's like having a virtual directory in your backpack. Speaking of cameras, let's geek out for a second. The Air 3 already impressed us with its dual-camera setup, but the Air 4, it's rumored to level up big time. Leaks point to a 1-inch sensor for the wide-angle camera, up from the Air 3's 1/1.3-inch sensor. Why does this matter? A larger sensor means better dynamic range, crisper details, and superior low-light performance. Oh, and there's more. A mechanical shutter might make its debut, eliminating rolling shutter issues during fast pans. And let's not forget the big one, 6K video recording. Yes, you heard that right. If true, this would be a game changer for creators who want cinema-quality footage without lugging around a giant rig. Now, let's talk flight time. The Air 3 gave us up to 46 minutes, which felt like an eternity in drone years. But the Air 4? Rumors suggest it'll push that to 50 minutes. Longer flight time means more shots, fewer interruptions, and let's face it, less stress. And if DJI pairs this with a more efficient power management system, we're looking at a drone that's as reliable as it is capable. All right, here's the million-dollar question. When can we actually expect the DJI Air 4? If DJI sticks to its usual release patterns, late 2025 seems like a safe bet. October or November, to be precise. As for the price, The Air 3 launched at $1,099. With these upgrades, we're probably looking at $1,199 to $1,299 for the base model, with Fly More combos edging closer to $1,599. So, what do you think? Is the Air 4 shaping up to be the mid-range drone of our dreams? Or is it just hype? For me, the potential for 6K video, smarter AI, and a sleeker design is hard to ignore. But like all things, it's best to take these rumors with a pinch of salt until DJI makes it official. That said, if even half of these leaks pan out, the Air 4 could redefine what we expect from a mid-range drone. Until then, I'll be here, flying my Air 3 and keeping an eye on the horizon. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe.